Okay guys, these are the last 2 pages in your notebook. And so all you have to do for this is just determining the scale factor. And so if you remember from our lesson, the scale factor was how much we were multiplying our pre-image by to get our image. And so in this case, A is 2, 1, and A prime is 6, 3. So if we have 2, 1, 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3, so I'm increasing by a scale factor of 3 here. And I can also do it by counting my side length. So this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from AB over here it's 3, A prime, B prime is 9, 3 times 3 is 9, and so K would equal 3. Important things to remember is make sure that you're going from the pre-image to the image. So in this case it's getting smaller, so it's going to be a fraction. In this case it's getting larger, and getting larger. Okay, so just next to your paper write what K equals, and tomorrow we will check our answers.